Welcome, students. Today's lecture is on writing a standout resume and cover letter. In today's competitive job market, it's essential to present yourself effectively on paper. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Crafting an impressive resume. A resume is your professional introduction, and it should highlight your skills, experiences, and qualifications. Here are some steps to create a well-structured resume. 1. Contact information. Start with your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile if applicable. 2. Objective or summary. Write a concise statement that summarizes your career goals and what you bring to the table. 3. Education. List your educational background, including the institution's name, degrees earned, and graduation dates. 4. Work experience. Detail your previous jobs in reverse chronological order, including job titles, company names, dates of employment, and key responsibilities and achievements. 5. Skills. Mention relevant skills such as technical proficiencies, languages, or certifications. 6. Achievements. Highlight specific accomplishments and quantifiable results to demonstrate your impact in previous roles. Some helping prompts for ChatGPT. Can you help me write a compelling summary for my resume? What should I include in the education section of my resume? Please suggest action verbs to make my accomplishments stand out. Crafting an engaging cover letter. A cover letter complements your resume by allowing you to express your enthusiasm and suitability for a specific job. Here are some key components of an effective cover letter. 1. Header. Include your contact information and the employer's details, including the hiring manager's name if available. 2. Opening paragraph. Start with a strong introduction. Mention the position you are applying for and briefly explain why you are an ideal candidate. 3. Body paragraphs. Discuss your relevant skills, experience, and qualifications. Use examples to demonstrate how you meet the job requirements. 4. Closing paragraph. Reiterate your interest in the position. Express gratitude for considering your application and indicate your readiness for an interview. 5. Signature. Sign off professionally with sincerely or an appropriate closing followed by your typed name. Some prompts for ChatGPT. How should I address the hiring manager in my cover letter? Can you help me write an attention-grabbing opening paragraph? Please provide suggestions for a strong closing statement. Mastering the art of resume and cover letter writing is crucial for your job search success. By using ChatGPT and the guidelines provided in this lecture, you will be well equipped to create impressive documents that can help you land your dream job. Don't hesitate to seek assistance and revise until you are satisfied with the results.